Hi everyone, it's Caribbean Ducks. I'm in the kitchen again here to share with you one of our favorite famous Cajun crispy crunchy fried chicken. And I'm gonna share that recipe with you right now. So this is what we're working with here now. A half a cup of buttermilk, 1 teaspoon dried dill, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon annato oil, a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. For my dry batter, I have a cup of flour, a half a cup of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and a third of a cup of Cajun seasoning. And I'm gonna mix all my ingredients together now. This is gonna be our marinade. We're just going in with everything in this bowl. Our annato oil that I made myself, and this is our buttermilk to make everything nice and tender and creamy. And we're just gonna mix everything together well. Check it out, guys. This is like liquid gold, all that flavor here. Now that we got our chicken all washed, we're gonna pat it dry. Gets most of that moisture out. And we're just gonna put it into the marinade mix here. And what's preferred is 6 to 8 hours in this marinade. What I actually did was leave it overnight, so to ensure that all that flavor has been absorbed into that meat. Now we can go ahead and mix our dry ingredients together here. That's our cornstarch to get it nice and crispy. And a little trick here with a baking soda that makes it extra crispy. And this is some of my dry ingredients that I made my own Cajun seasonings. And we're just gonna mix that all together. This is gonna be flavorful. So we get our oil nice and hot. And we're gonna prepare our egg wash. Two eggs, a little bit of water, and we're gonna whisk that together. So we go with the chicken first in the flour mix, into our egg wash, and then back into the flour. And I'm just gonna set it aside so we can work with a couple of pieces at a time. And we're gonna repeat this process. Now to test the oil, we go with a little bamboo stick and we put our chicken to fry. Want to get this oil up to a medium-high heat, not too hot. So I don't have a thermometer to test it, but I know when my oil is at medium hot from the settings on the stove. And we're gonna cover that down and let it cook slowly. Gonna give it a flip. Let's get it nice and crunchy. Turn it into golden brown. After a few more minutes, we're all done. Just gonna take it out to cool off and drain some of that excess oil off of it. And there you have it, guys. Crispy, crunchy Cajun style fried chicken.